If you're talking, I don't want to listen. I